We are inside the Habibie Ainun Library, the home of one of Indonesia's brightest minds. But bright here is maybe quite an understatement. It does not only mean intelligent, it means ahead of time. Pak Habibie melampaui zaman. B. Habibie imagined an Indonesia that becomes competitive not because of its natural resources, but because of its human capital, its imagination, its courage to innovate. This library, as you may see, reflects exactly that spirit. And the person who continues this legacy by opening this space for public learning, dialogue, and knowledge work is Dr. Ilham Habibie there. Through him, the Habibie family has ensured that this home of ideas remains alive, accessible, and generative for the next generation. It is therefore a privilege to hold this gathering here. In fact, when we plan about this gathering, this is the only place that we have in mind it should be held. So, ladies and gentlemen, to open this gathering, please join me in welcoming Dr. Ilham Habibie, the host of this House of Ideas, and someone who has carried forward the legacy of Pak B. Habibie by ensuring that this library continues to serve the public as a space for imagination, knowledge, and collaboration. Please, Pak Ilham. Can we give applause for Pak Ilham?
Thank you very much. Terima kasih Bapak Ibu sekalian. Maybe I do flip-flop between bahasa Indonesia and English. First of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam, may peace be upon all of us. It is my honor and pleasure to welcome all of you here in the Habibie Ainun Library. Adalah dengan hormat dan sangat senang kita welcome Bapak dan Ibu di dalam perpustakaan Habibie dan Ainun. As already mentioned by the moderator, if I may say so, this is now a place where many organizations, companies, government institutions, embassies are holding their events, including sometimes even concerts. Yeah, can you imagine? Jadi kadang-kadang di sini ada event-event seperti ini dari kedutaan, dari institusi pemerintah, organisasi, perusahaan, termasuk bank-bank, dan kadang juga ada konsep-konsep di belakang situ. Jadi kalau kita ke arah situ, itu kadang ada panggung dengan adanya konsep klasik atau konsep jazz, semuanya ada. Kebetulan ruangan ini juga bagus akustiknya, ya. Jadi itu that is maybe because we have a lot of books over there and we have the floor which is a stone floor basically. Ya. Jadi akustiknya memang sangat baik. At the same time mungkin Bapak Ibu ingin tahu ini berapa buku yang ada di sini. Coba tebak Bapak. Ada 5.000 lebih, ya? 5,000 books. So there's 5,000 books in this library, dan yang sangat menarik, tidak ada satupun buku mengenai teknologi. Nah, ini semua buku yang kita lihat di sini adalah mengenai budaya, politik, sejarah, atau hal-hal terkait dengan negara tercinta kita Indonesia. So all the books you find here, which is very wondersome, there's not a single book about technology. It's all about non-technology. There's a practical reason for this and a non-practical. The practical is this library is actually relatively new. It's only 20-something years old. If you go further in that direction, that's where my parents used to live. It extends quite to that end. They lived there for 50 years ago. They started living there. Before my father became minister, he already lived there. This is a Pertamina complex. He was working for Pertamina. Jadi bapak dan ibu dulu tidak menetap di sini, tapi mereka menetap di bagian sana yang memang sudah sangat tua, lebih dari hampir 50 tahun yang lalu mereka sudah menetap di situ, karena Bapak dulu sebelum menjadi menteri sudah kepala divisi Pertamina, dan ini bagian Pertamina, ini Pertamina Kompleks. Jadi ini yang kita lihat di sini adalah bangunan-bangunan yang berasal dari periode Bapak dan Ibu setelah Bapak pensiun. Yeah. So this what we see here is basically after my father retired. Yeah. And he dedicated this place to basically a lot of the spirit that the gentleman just said. It's about culture, about learning, about education, about civilization. And so I can tell you a lot of things, but I think I don't have the time. But for sure, this is one thing I mean, that what we do today, apa yang kita lakukan malam ini, kita berdiskusi adalah sesuai dengan semangat Bapak dan Ibu menggunakan tempat ini untuk hal-hal seperti ini. Jadi memang sangat cocok dan banyak acara-acara seperti ini kita sudah lakukan dan insya Allah akan lebih lakukan bersama di sini. Jadi this place is exactly what was said by the moderator before for these kind of events in order to advance our country, our people, our civilization. This is a meeting place where we have these open discussions in collaborative and constructive manner in order to find together a better future. Jadi ini memang adalah tujuan utama daripada tempat ini untuk kita bersama-sama diskusi di sini agar supaya kita mendapatkan masa depan yang lebih baik untuk kita semua. Saya kira itu saja dari saya nggak mau terlalu panjang lebar, nggak mau jadi kayak kuliah umum ya. Jadi terima kasih atas perhatian. Thank you for your kind attention and I give it back to the moderator. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih banyak Pak Ilham.
Yeah. And I forgot to welcome, of course, our special guest. I forgot totally, too much talking. Pak Anies, thank you for coming. Pak Pramono, Pak Ibu Irina Umar, is she here yet? Not yet. Ya, dan juga Pak Gita, also not here yet. Pak Dino Patijalal, and Pak Bima Arya. I haven't seen him yet. He's probably on the way. Maybe stuck in traffic. This is surrounded by a lot of traffic jam, unfortunately. And everybody else. Welcome to the Habibie Ainun Library. Selamat datang di Perpustakaan Habibie Ainun dan mudah-mudahan insya Allah kita bisa adakan diskusi yang sangat baik seperti tadi saya sudah sampaikan. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Terima kasih banyak Pak Ilham.